thing. Oh.
So they're going to start on the retaining wall right up here, and then vision in the future a really nice pond here. If I'm starting to clear for the pond, so the house, the cabin's going to sit up there on that hill, and I'm going to put a nice pond down here. All right, I got Isaiah, our builder. He's going to run the Bobcat. All right, I'm going to take the Mongo ripper out today, see how it works on some hardwoods and cedars. Got a handful more to finish clearing. See how she works. All right, made it back to the clearing site. Let's get some action going here before it rains on us anyways. All right, let's see if I can hook onto this thing. Oh, so far so good. Oh, rock and roll. Oh, look at that thing. Oh man, like a pterodactyl beak. All right, let's roll. Plus I was idle down. Now I got her fired all the way up and got a lot more juice. Alright, let's try it on a cedar. Man, it's sloppy right down here. Cedars are pretty stout trees. Look at that, cuts right through it. I like it. Come in a little closer. Oh yeah, very nice. It's definitely faster than any of them, standard buckets. Oh, that's a hefty one right there. Down our stakes for the house, for the cabin. But it's early yet, we haven't even started the groundwork. Man, I'll catch you later. Alright, have a good one. Dirt on my way down, start working on the driveway and the ditch over here on the side. Alright, now I've moved down the hill from the build site and I'm starting to clear for the pond. So the house, the cabin's going to sit up there on that hill and it's all downward terrain this way. And I'm going to put a nice pond down here. Stock it with, bass and bluegill and catfish. Alright, here's a hardwood. other little advantages of it, but I'll have to show you when the situation comes up. I forgot to turn the camera on. Okay, come on now. I remember watching one of his videos on this. That super long hook is for leverage, pushing down and pushing these roots up.
Hey guys, Jordan here with Mongo Attachments. Wanted to talk about our new generation ripper and what makes it different than our competition. Why we have such a curvature. We do that for mechanical advantage standpoint. So whether you're trying to get a root ball up or concrete or asphalt demolition work, there's a mechanical advantage with that curve.
There we go. Much better than the first hardwood. And this one's probably even bigger. Keep working away with the old Mongo ripper. Alright, I got a real stout one here. Really stout. It ain't even budging now. I got a couple rips on each side and it ain't even budging yet at all. See how this one goes. Hope I don't get stuck down here like I am right now almost. Oh. Get myself out of here before I sink. Side. So I guess I'll have to go out and start clearing from the other way. I'm gonna sink right here if I stay any longer. Alright, we'll check back in. Alright, let's take a quick look here midstream. I've almost buried myself like 3 times now. So I'm gonna go do something a little different, but this here I envision being the pond site right here. Cut a dam kind of where that tree is laying, past that about 10-15 feet, and then up there is going to be the cabin. So okay, so that thing being that long, I believe gives you a bigger jaw so you can grab more stuff. Can't see it, but the end of the tooth probably 3 or 4 more inches longer than the standard 2-foot bucket. Although one disadvantage using it compared to a bucket is you're not necessarily getting the roots out of the ground like you would with a bucket. It all depends on what your current mission is. Okay, another potential advantage is if you're trying to save the tree. Even though I ripped a little bit down there, this is a cedar. So if you're trying to save your lumber for boards, or in this case cedar, you can kind of lift them a lot easier from the bottom without the teeth cutting into them. Takes you a little longer to pull the tree, right here. That's the water source. It's still trickling right now, but somebody mentioned something on one of my pond videos. They said it was kind of useless. He's like, you got a little creek there, why do you need a little pond? It's useless unless you got a water source all the time. And I'm like, well, funny you say that. Pretty much every single watering hole that I build has a water source. That's why they stay fresher. Every time it rains, they get recharged. So that's all part of the plan. This stuff's starting to dry out a little since it's been in the sun and the breeze here for a little bit. I'd like to get this full spot cleared before this rain comes tomorrow, I think, or tonight. But it's still making progress. Oh yeah. Alright, I got Isaiah, our builder. He's going to run the Bobcat e42, and I'm going to run the skid steer. We're going to keep rolling. He got himself stuck in there too, look at that. Trying to get his attention, tell him that's enough, man. He's like a clearing machine. He's stuck on a vine. I hate them things. Got the pond site just about cleared of trees and brush. And I'm working on this back lawn area again. Yeah, this one's gonna take a while. Done for today. We took a walk again here, and we're gonna have to knock out just a couple more trees. This one here that I didn't want to take out necessarily, because for the parking area we didn't want to leave an obstacle in the gravel pad for someone to back into, and you could see that whole new opening. That's the pond spot. So these last two trees right here that we wanted to keep for shade and for good looks, probably gonna have to go, because if I'm gonna dig a nice pond, you want to be able to see it. You know, right about here you're gonna be sitting on the back porch. All right, so I made another field command decision. I'm gonna leave these two trees here. It's a tulip poplar and a cedar, just to see how they do. So they're gonna start on the retaining wall right up here, and then up here you could see, if you can envision the future, a really nice pond here if I do my job good enough. So exciting stuff. I hope to see you on this whole project, because they're hoping to start on the retaining wall this week, of course, depending on the weather. So stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Here you're going to be sitting on the back porch. So a few more trees and I'm out of here. That's pretty wet down there, but it's a perfect pond spot.